What's up, YouTube? So DangFi back here with another stock video. In my last video, we talked about OCGN and small caps getting momentum again, and we see that also in the NFT stocks, right? So in this video, we're gonna go over next week's momentum plays. I think they're really gonna be focused around NFT stocks. So if you haven't yet, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and get more videos like this. Thanks. Now let's get into it. So we've seen a huge sell-off in the small caps market, right? And now we are also seeing a nice bounce. So I think a lot of the NFT stocks are following that pattern, and they even have a stronger bounce, right? And if you don't, or if you aren't familiar with the TKAT art, it is the non-fungible tokens they came up with. They're releasing their own NFT blockchain technology. And that's really what spiked them from, and look at this move, from really like under $5 to 10, pullback, and then all the way to 70. Like, look at that. That's just what a frenzy of a move there. FOMO, and then a huge sell-off, and then now we're not really seeing any news. So if we look at take a look at some of the news, we're not really seeing any particular news, specific news, right? So that's sometimes a lot of these low float stocks, they move like this, right? Low supply. There's, it's not even that shorted, but you see these crazy moves with the low floats, especially if they're short. You get that squeeze, they go even higher. So definitely one to watch. And I'm also watching Dolphin Entertainment. So the whole NFT market, Hall of Fame resort, and I think you see I have a whole watch list here I could bring up real quick, right? OCG, ZKIN, WKEY, CLPS. You could see TKAT's the leader, following DPLN, OCGN, HOFV, they're following suit. And I do like, there is a partnership between Dolphin Entertainment and Hall of Fame, and both of them are shorted quite more. I think about 3 times that of TKAT. In Hall of Fame, some things they got going for them is, I think, NFL partnerships, right, with their NFT partnership with Dolphin Entertainment. So they're involved in sports. I think another good one that I saw, let's see, I think there was NBA. ZKIN had an NBA partnership, right? So you're kind of seeing and this one hasn't moved as much as the other ones, right? It's also short 12.3%. These numbers may be higher or lower. FinViz might not always have the most updated numbers, but I think I saw NBA here. So they announced NFT launch for NBA players Dwight Howard and Michael Beasley. Right, so I think it's really setting up again for some momentum. So these are the stocks to watch next week. I do anticipate a pullback potentially. So we saw Tuesday there was a nice spike, sold off, traded sideways, had a base of 17 here, and then we saw again another spike. Right, so we potentially might see more. We could see a spike Monday actually. So I think that's what could definitely happen. So we look at a longer time frame. If it breaks the 34 level, it could definitely get back up to 45, and then you'll see just even a more massive move. So I wouldn't focus on TKAT. I think that one's probably more volatile and risky versus something that hasn't moved as much. I stick to the lower price one. I think HOFV, I think it's setting up trading nicely. If it tightens up again, we could see it break $4. Looks like it's kind of resisting that level, and that would be the breakout area and more upside reward. And then also I do like the setup on ZKIN again because it hasn't moved. You see a lot of them have monster moves earlier in the month, so there's more upside if the whole NFT sector keeps pushing up, you bet ZKIN and the rest will keep pushing up as well. All right, guys. Well, that really just want to make a quick video on that, share that with everybody. That way you guys get the news ahead of Monday, and those are the stocks I'll be watching. So if you haven't yet, please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll keep making these videos, keep you guys updated, and good luck out there. Enjoy your weekend. All right, thanks for watching.